Hello guys, I'm Oz. I live in the United States. Today I'm cooking sausages and ham fried rice. I put the sausages on the grill pan frosting and then I prepare the ingredient for fried rice. Also cucumber slices for the side. I am using the ham leftovers and also snap pea, onion and carrots, also the rice leftover. So flip the sausage on the first time and then put the olive oil into the pan and crack the eggs. I did not wait for the oil to hot because my laziness. So I crack the eggs and then keep stirring the eggs until cook well. You can see the egg change to thicker, not the liquid. And then during cooking the eggs, need to keep checking on the sausages and add the ingredient, all of them in one time. That is my way. I will not cook long because my husband and myself don't like to eat soft vegetable when cooked. So just mix them well and then add the rice and the seasoning, not much, just a little soy sauce and ground garlic powder, okay, and cook them well a little while and then turn off the heat. Also checking on the sausages, and that's it. We are done cooking for today. It is very easy and quick. I don't like to cook so long, just only like 15 to 20 minutes, that's all. And yeah, easy to cook, easy eating, but healthy. I don't add sugar in fried rice, but if you would like to add a little tiny bit, up to you as you wish, and ground pepper as well. Anyway, thank you for stopping by and I hope you guys enjoy my video.